So just want you guys to just take a look, So the blade system is a little bit different. And if you want to put a TPOB blade on it or other blade, you need this bracket, this thing right here. Wait a moment, let me clean it. So already cleaned. As you can see, got this thing in the middle. And if you want to open it, you need a smaller screwdriver. There is a hole here, right here. I mean, there is a screw right here, this one. So you need to open it with a smaller screwdriver, and the black thing inside this place, it's not big, To put a TPOB blade on it, you need this bracket. Open. So now you see the system. If you want to zero gap this blade, just put this tension spring to the side, then open the screws here, then zero gap it. Like I said, this one is thin. See that? So the system is really different. So there's a screw right here for you to open. See that? On this side, no. Okay, but this side. And the blade is really sharp. Really sharp. You don't need to change this blade. Okay. This is the steel blade. Sharp. Inside it's the same like the clipper, I guess so. I haven't opened it. This is my first time. And I didn't really have time to make an unboxing very quickly because my car broke down and I'm looking for a new car to buy. So it's just the same like the hair clipper. So you can see. This is good. And this is better than StyleCraft Instinct. This is better. If you are putting it, you just need to, put this one down here first before you put it. Okay.